friends, welcome to a video tutorial on Excel. In this video, we will see how you can close a current Excel workbook by using a shortcut key called CTRL F4. See, you have two Excel has opened. You want to close one Excel from these two. Then what you do, you using mouse, you just go here and close the sheet. But without using mouse, you can use a shortcut key CTRL F4 to close the sheet. Let's see. What you have to do is press CTRL and F4 button. Then the sheet get closed. If you want to close this sheet also, just use CTRL F4. The current workbook will be closed. And then if you want to open a new one, go into file, click on open. You will get your required sheet. I hope you understood this video. Please share, subscribe to my channel 5 Minutes Excel. Thank you.